Hello everyone, welcome to Swag Talks and I am Nikita and my teammate is Ushasri. We are from Cybersecurity Department and our topic is directory structures, trees, acyclic, general graph. We made this presentation under the guidance of Dr. M. Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of CSE. Directory structure. When a user or a process requests a file, the file system searches the directory for the file's entry, and when a match is found, it acquires the file's location. The field file name provides the name of the consent file in the directory, and type field shows the file's type or category, and the location info field gives the file's location. The flag field provides details about the nature of the directory entry. For instance, a value of D signifies that the entry pertains to a directory. L indicates a link and M denotes a mounted file system. The protection info field determines the file's accessibility to other users within the system. The directory's misc info file contains a miscellaneous information such as file's owner, the date it was created, and the last time it was edited. There are many ways to organize a common directory structure with different levels for the complexity, flexibility, and efficiency. Directory structure in OS file. Types of directory structure. There are four types of directories: single level directory structure, two level directory structure, tree structured directory, acyclic graph directory structure, general graph directory structure. Tree structure directory. A tree is the most common directory structure. The tree has root directory. Every file in the system has a unique path name. A path name is the path for the root through all the subdirectories to a specified file. A directory or subdirectory contains a set of files or subdirectories. One bit in each directory entry defines the entry as a file 0 or a subdirectory 1. Special system calls are used to create and delete directories. Path names can be of two types: absolute path names or relative path names. An absolute path name begins at the root and follows a path down to the specified file, giving the directory names on the path. A relative path name defines a path for the current directory. And this is the example for tree directory structure. Acyclic graph directory. An acyclic graph is a graph with no cycles. To implement shared files and subdirectories, this directory structure is used. An acyclic graph directory structure is more flexible than is a simple tree structure, but it is also more complex. Implementations of shared files or directories. 1. Links. A new type of directory entry is created. It is effectively a pointer to another file or subdirectory. Links are implemented as an absolute or relative path name. The detection of a link does not need to affect the original file. Only the link is removed. And second, duplicate all information in sharing directories. Problems to consider with link implementation. Upon traversal of file system, do not want to traverse shared structures more than once. This is an example for a cyclic graph directory on deletion. Deletion. The deletion of a link does not need to affect the original file. Only the link is removed. Another approach to deletion is to preserve the file until all references to it are deleted. Keep a count of the numbers of references. When count equal to 0, file is deleted. Maintain a file reference list containing one entry for each reference of the file. On deletion, just delete the entry from the file reference list. File is deleted when the list becomes empty with a shared file only. On actual file exists. So any changes made by one person are immediately visible to the other. General graph directory. When the links are added to an existing tree structure directory, a general graph structure can be created. This is the example for general graph directory. A general graph can have cycles and cycles cause problems when searching or traversing file systems. How do we guarantee no cycles? Allow only links to files, not subdirectories. Use garbage collection, and every time a new link is added, use a cycle detection algorithm to determine whether a cycle now exists. Disadvantages of general graph. computationally expensive, and an alternative approach is to bypass links during the directory traversal.